everybody. I'm here in the tram in Prague, going to the day number 3 of the GARRM workshop, and this is my video summary of yesterday. So yesterday the day started with presentations from Austria, given by Sebastian from AGES, about some statistical models to identify buildings and areas with high radon levels. The morning session continued with some presentations, for example from Romania, dealing with some indicators also for high radon levels. Presentations to use a very interesting presentation from Portugal about how to use drinking water measurements to identify radon priority areas. Before the end of the session, before the lunchtime break, Peter Bosset, former BFS member, presented something really interesting to question or to put in the table the different models to deal with the radon risk. After the break, the president of the European Radon Association, Per Nilsson, presented the 10th year anniversary of the European Radon Association. It is very, very interesting. Today we have the workshop, and we started this association 10 years ago. And today is the 10th birthday, so it was very nice presented by her. And Luis Quindos from the Spanish group, Radon Group, Laruc from the University of Cantabria, presented also about what is the projects they are involved at the moment. That's all for today. So this was the summary of the second day at the workshop of Geological Aspects of Radon Risk Mapping. And today is the workshop of the European Radon Association. And the topic is indicators to evaluate the implementation of the radon action plans. It's really, really interesting. So we will have also roundtable discussion